In the heart of Europe, divided by an iron curtain, lay the once great city of Berlin, a testament to the Cold War's bitterest divide. For 28 years, the Berlin Wall stood as a symbol of separation, a concrete barrier that kept East from West, and family from family. November 9, 1989, a date that would forever be etched in history. The announcement by Günter Schabowski, the East German government spokesman, set in motion a chain of events that would lead to the fall of the Berlin Wall. Responding to a question about travel regulations, Schabowski stumbled over his words, inadvertently announcing that East Germans could now travel freely to the West, effective immediately. The news spread like wildfire, reaching the masses through word of mouth and television. Thousands gathered at the border checkpoints, their hearts brimming with hope and anticipation. As the hours ticked by, East German soldiers hesitated, unsure of their orders, and finally they opened the gates. The following night, a sea of people from both sides of the wall converged, ready to claim their city back. Hammers and chisels replaced guns and tanks as the symbol of power. The Berlin Wall, once a formidable barrier, was reduced to a pile of rubble under the relentless hammer blows of the citizens. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the beginning of the end of the Cold War. It was a momentous turning point, a beacon of hope, and a testament to the power of the human spirit. The city of Berlin, once divided, was finally reunited, and a new chapter in German history began. The fall of the Berlin Wall serves as a reminder of the power of freedom, the resilience of the human spirit, and the importance of unity. It stands as a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of peaceful resistance, and a beacon for future generations who strive for a better, more united world.